What's up guys, Meredith with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're checking out the Raxium Axial Series LED third brake light with a smoke lens fitting all 2010 through 2014 Mustangs. Now if you want to make some small changes and affordable changes to your Mustang to make it your own, this third brake light is a great place to start. Now this will match incredibly well with other smoked accessories, especially if you have smoked taillights on your Mustang, which will complement your build style. This will also be more modern and much brighter than the factory one with the LED build, while keeping the design fairly simple if you don't want anything too flashy. Now the main feature here is definitely the styling of this with the dark smoked lens, keeping it subtle as far as the appearance is concerned on the trunk when it's off. Now when it's on, you'll get a simple stack of bright red LEDs, which won't be affected by the lens at all with the high output, and they won't only just be for show. Now the lighting here will make your Mustang much more noticeable to other drivers, of course for style, but also to keep you a bit safer on the road. This light's gonna have a black ABS plastic build that's molded just like the factory one, so you can ensure an OE style fit when it comes to the install. And ABS is very common with this type of build just because it is durable as far as plastic is concerned. It's also gonna have a foam material around the outer portion of the lens that's going to allow an OE style fit and seal up against your trunk area. Now this will also have a polycarbonate lens on the front, which is essentially a tough plastic material very commonly used for lights because it is impact and weather resistant, so it should keep this look for years to come. And the best part of all is that you're also getting a plug and play install with this, so it's gonna be hassle free when it comes to install with this OE style connector. This will be around $85, which I think is personally a steal for what you're getting. Now compared to other choices, you're getting that smoked look and those bright LEDs without some of the frills that you may not necessarily want for your Mustang, like more unique designs or flashers. Now I think if you just want to keep it simple, affordable, and very stylish, then this is going to be a fantastic option to choose. Install on this is going to be super simple at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Should take you about 15 minutes to get the job done with some pretty basic hand tools. At this point, we can head over to our shop and check out a detailed breakdown on how to get this onto your Mustang at home. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's jump into the install.
Tools required for this install include a clip remover tool. What's up guys? Today we're installing a third brake light on our Mustang, so let's get started. So to get to our third brake light, all we need to do is remove all of the push clips on this cover here. So I've got a clip remover tool and we'll pop all of these out. With all of our clips removed, we can feed this through and remove our cover. So now with access to our third brake light, we need to disconnect this connector, and we have 3 clips holding it in. So we'll press in on this gray tab and pull out, and then we can grab that clip remover tool. And then we can pop this out of place. So now we're ready to install our new third brake light. So we're gonna slide this into position, and then we can install those 3 clips, and then we'll get our trunk liner back in. Now we can plug in our connector, and then we'll get our trunk liner back installed. So now we'll reinstall our trunk liner. We've got to get our release cable through that slot. And then we can get our 2 push clips up top first. And then we can install the rest of our clips.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of this Raxium Axial Series LED third brake light with the smoke lens fitting all 2010 through 2014 Mustangs. And you can find this right here at AmericanMuscle.com.